Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is me, Nika. So today I'm going to be doing the next part of my Marvelous collection, and this is Emerald City. Look how pretty she is. All right, we're going to get started, but let's enjoy the intro first. So the things you're gonna need for this is alcohol inks and alcohol. You don't have to use 99% alcohol, although it works better. I know some people said there has been a shortage because of COVID-19, so you can't get it in the regular stores. I actually got this from my local Ace hardware store, so check hardware stores, and you can always check Amazon. I actually have some listed in my affiliate link along with these alcohol inks that I'm going to be using today. So the colors I'm going to be using are named avocado, kiwi, and lime. All of the products will be in the description box below in my Amazon affiliate list, and I'm now going to be quiet. So the way that you're going to get your marble look is by layering your colors. You see I'm going back and forth with all three colors, and as it dries it's going to create this depth, and that's what you want. So make sure you're layering your colors. The first base of this is always going to be like, is this really going to look like what I want it to look like? But you just have to trust the process and layer your colors. Now the way I deepened this and to make it look like there was more depth to the green was adding the alcohol ink directly to the board and added just a small amount of alcohol. The more alcohol you use, the more diluted your color is going to look. The less alcohol you use, the more intense the color is going to look. So if you see, I just put like little drops and then I added a little bit of alcohol and push it around just a small amount, and that's going to create the depth that you're looking for. Now with all marble there are cracks in it. I'm going to be adding gold cracks. This is an acrylic paint pen by Art Deco. This is also listed in the Amazon affiliate link. If you pay attention, when I was drawing the initial line, I was holding the pen towards the end and not the head because I wanted less control so it can create a more organic line. I didn't want it to look forced. I did not want it to look uniformed. I want it to look organic, so I wanted to hold the pen with less control so that it created natural cracks in the marble. So now I'm just using the resin. This is also linked in the Amazon affiliate list. You use your resin by doing equal parts. So first I'm adding the part A, the base resin, and then I'm going to add the other part to it, the hardener. And you add equal parts and then you mix it up. When you are mixing your resin, the slower you mix it, the less air bubbles you're going to get. This resin says that you should mix it for 5 minutes, and that's what I did, but I mixed it slowly. I didn't mix it too fast. Have you ever noticed when people use that little spinny thing and they spin the resin really fast, it has a million air bubbles in it? I didn't have a whole lot of air bubbles because I mixed it slowly. Just a tip. left the resin to cure overnight and I hung it up, and this is what it looks like. Thank you guys for joining. I will see you next time. Mwah, 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 mwah.